In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set tab stops and use rulers for precise text layout in PowerPoint. If you've ever tried to line up text in neat columns, like agendas, pricing lists, or speaker details, tabs and rulers are the precise tools you need. They let you control exactly where text starts, aligns, and wraps without relying on messy spaces. First, turn on the rulers so you can see your layout guides. Go to the View tab at the top and check the ruler box. You'll see rulers appear along the top and left edges of your slide workspace. These show measurements, which makes it much easier to position elements precisely. Next, click into the text box you want to format. With the text box selected, go to the Home tab, look for the paragraph group, and open the Tabs dialog. This is the control center for your tab stops. In the Tab Stop position box, type the exact measurement where you want your first tab to land. Then choose the alignment that matches your content. Left aligns text so it flows to the right from the tab stop. Center places the text so it's balanced on the tab. Right aligns text so it builds to the left, which is great for dates or totals. Decimal lines up numbers on the decimal point, perfect for prices or values. Bar adds a vertical bar at that position, useful as a visual divider. After you've set the position and alignment, click Set to add it, and then click OK when you're done. If you need multiple tab stops, add each one by entering a position, choosing the alignment, and clicking Set before you confirm with OK. Now type inside your text box and press the Tab key to jump to your first set position. Type your entry, press Tab again to jump to the next stop, and continue. This method keeps everything lined up consistently. It's much cleaner than using spaces and makes changes easy later. For fine-tuning, use the ruler markers to adjust visually. With the rulers enabled, you'll see small tab symbols appear along the top ruler for each stop you created. Drag a tab marker, left or right, to shift that column on the fly. You can also adjust indents using the triangles and rectangle on the ruler. The top triangle controls the first line indent, the bottom triangle controls the hanging indent, and the rectangle moves the whole left indent together. These adjustments help you refine spacing, so headings, bullets, and details look intentional and polished. That's it. Rulers for precision, tabs for alignment, and clean, consistent text every time.